All right, good morning. It is 10:56 a.m. on May 29th. The total market cap bounced, and I don't know if this is weird, but I feel like I can feel it. I feel like I can know before I even get and look at the prices what the prices are doing, as it feels a little bit lighter today. But yes, we got down to almost 300 billion and bounced to right now we're at 324.3. Bitcoin back up to almost 7,500, Ethereum at 560, Litecoin at 120. So a good 7-8% bounce from the bottom. The first thing I want to talk about is EOS again from yesterday. More news came out saying that they had a humongous mess that they now have fixed, but that they just barely found. I don't know what the heck's going on with that. I don't have any EOS. I don't want any EOS right now. I don't know. This thing seems like a mess to me. I'm I'm really kind of astounded by how they're handling all of this. Seems not well done. This tweet. Help us find critical bugs in EOS IO before our 1.0 release. 10K for every unique bug that can cause a crash, privilege escalation, or non-deterministic behavior in smart contracts. Offer subject to change. ID required. Validity decided at the sole discretion of block 1. That guy's just a weird, shady text that, I don't know. Anyway, this is probably the real story. I have a feeling that everybody watching this right now already is on board with this stuff, but if you're watching this just for crypto, this is why crypto is a big deal. It, this is really, this is where I came from. I didn't know anything about Bitcoin when I had already studied thoroughly the Federal Reserve and global finance and fiat money, and maybe not thoroughly, because I'm 26, but um, I spent a lot of time studying all this kind of stuff. And it's the lens I've always viewed Bitcoin through is a solution, a system that we can build outside of the old system so that when this kind of stuff starts happening, we have an alternative. So, yes, Italy, the bond yields are going crazy, aka people are selling bonds, aka people are worried that Italy will not repay their sovereign debt. That's what this effectively means. So that's not good. Italy German 10-year spread just, and Italy's the one we've been watching for quite a while now. Uh, they're in that pigs, and the finances are a mess. They joined the EU. They got just loaned a bunch of money, basically debt. It's this debt thing still. Just debt, 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 debt. A ton of debt was created. They're not even able to keep up on the interest payments on the bonds. Therefore, people are selling the bonds because they're worried they're not going to get paid. Um, I'm going to leave it to that for this video right now. I think I may get a few more done today because this ties into the one I did the other day about the fiat to crypto transition. But I'm going to keep my opinions kind of out of the Bitcoin Bob and put those in a different video. But just the news. The bond on Italy's or the yield on Italy's bonds are going nuts like today. Like right now it's happening. So that's kind of the thing to watch. Mr. Soros says the same thing. Brexit is immensely damaging process, harmful to both sides. But then down here saying the EU is in an existential crisis. Everything that could go wrong has gone wrong. To escape the crisis, it needs to reinvent itself. Yeah, there's the quick news update. What's appearing most important to me for the day.